guys, Anime Brains here, and I told you that's how my dog's in catnip, but this little chihuahua didn't want the catnip. This guy, come here, he didn't want the catnip, but this guy, strangely enough, he ate it, and now he wants more. I think he's addicted to catnip, so Scamp, come on boy, Scamp, come here. Come here, watch this, guys. I just put some catnip in my hand. Don't know if you can see. Here's some catnip. Watch this. He's addicted to catnip. My dog is on drugs. Look, it's all over my pants and he's licking it up. He is addicted to catnip, so true here. Catnip isn't only for cats, so yay, my dog digs drugs. Like if I gave it to the chihuahua, watch this. I know you want more catnip. No need to ask for more catnip. Okay, ready? You want this? You want it? You want it? He don't want it. Let's see the big dog. He shuns the catnip. He shuns the catnip. So, you are special. He wants the catnip. So, with this sign out, my dog is a cat. Don't know. Bye, guys.